Every time you microwave your food, you're probably making this one mistake, and it's why your leftovers come out uneven or dry. Most people just toss the plate in, hit start, and hope for the best. But that's exactly why your food is cold in the middle and burning on the edges. Here's the fix. Arrange your food in a ring, leave the center empty like a donut. Microwaves heat from the edges in, so this helps it cook evenly. Even better, place a cup of water in the microwave next to your food. It adds moisture so your food doesn't dry out. Simple trick, way better leftovers. Follow for more kitchen hacks that actually work.